How can I create my own APK mod and unlock my favorite Android apps? Get unlimited monies.
Let's talk about it. It's actually quite easy.
No, it's not. So basically, you simply learn some basic programming languages such as C#, C++, Java to get some basic understanding on how Android app development works. Then you create a few of your own apps, maybe an online app as well that uses servers so that you learn server-side processing and how that works. And then once you're an expert in actually creating Android apps, you can move on to reverse engineering and understanding Smali machine code, which is written for machines and not humans, and is 10 times more complicated. So all in all, it's going to take about 10 or 12 years.
Easy, just do it.
Wow, only 10 years, 12 years to learn how to create APK mods? Great! Yeah, APK modding is not easy at all, especially for online games. In certain offline games, the game stores certain values in plain text files or even like XML files where you can just change values around. That is easier. In those cases, basically all you need to do is unpack the APK and modify that specific value, and you got unlimited money. I got tutorials about that on this channel. But for most of us, and if you are looking for how to mod APKs, then probably you're not a software engineer. You'd probably be searching for something like learning Smali code or reverse engineering. So for the 99.9% of us that are just normal people without advanced engineering, software engineering degrees, you're probably just gonna have to use the APK mods created by the professionals. And here the problem is not every game will have mods, and what mods are possible is limited by the online processing of the values in the game. So unlimited money will be very rare, especially in online games. In offline games, unlimited money isn't a problem at all. And again, sometimes can be achieved by simply editing a few resource files, but you still need to find them. It's still going to take many hours. And there is a tutorial on this channel about that. But generally, the best and safest way to find APK mods for your games on Android is not to create them yourself, but to simply go to Google and Google HackerBot, go to hackerbot.net, enter the name of your game, online, offline, and hackerbot.net will show you what kinds of mods are possible in your game. Everything else is fake. Always. Because what kinds of mods are possible is limited by server-side processing, as I've explained before. Then, if you want to find downloads, go to Get Cheats, choose Android, Mod, and start scanning the internet for trusted developers working on your game. You can then download the mods below if they exist. If there are currently no working mods available for your game, check back every week until you find them. There are a lot of Android games out there, and not a lot of legitimate mod developers, which is why they are so hard to find, and most of the mods out there are fake. These developers also generally only work on the most popular games out there on Android. So check HackerBot for your mods every week so that you can find them as soon as they are released. And don't fall for all the fakes out there on the internet. We did a poll on this channel, and 80% of you guys said that most APK mods are fake, which is my experience as well. So stick to using HackerBot to find safe and trusted mods from legitimate sources. And if you want to try to mod APKs yourself, there are tutorials on how to unpack APK files on this channel. Doing mod menus will be impossible for 99.999% of you guys, as you need to actually be an advanced software engineer. But in some offline games, you'll be able to modify some XML or text files in order to get unlimited money if you find the correct files within the APK. And this will only work in offline games. If your game requires the internet in order to work correctly, then the chance of unlimited money and gems working is practically zero. Maybe there's some exception out there somewhere, but they are exceedingly rare. Also, please use emulators wherever possible and secondary account to test everything you download to avoid any risks. And don't trust anybody that tells you that modding APKs is easy. It is absolutely not. In many ways, it's actually easier to create your own game than to modify a game, because the APK code or the Java code that you're working on when actually creating a game can be understood by humans, but when modding games, you're working with code that isn't meant for humans to understand it, which understandably complicates things. And in online games, not even all of the code can be accessed in any way whatsoever. A significant part of the game are not processed on your device where you can access it, making modding these games even more difficult. So my recommendation is use hackerbot.net to find legitimate modded APKs. You can also try APK Editor or APK Tool M to unpack your APK and see what's inside. Play around, but don't expect too much. For offline games, you can also use memory editors such as Game Guardian, but in general, you are at the mercy of the developers for APK mods, as they have gone through all the learning, all the years of studying and experience that is required to do this process correctly. I know this is not what most of you want to hear, but I hope you understand and you like the video. If you're thankful for knowing the truth, let me know down below in the comments what kinds of games you're looking to mod. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon with more
Knowledge.
Knowledge.